This was what happened today. Uh, Backseat Gorilla came in, and of course, they were at 920 something when they came. And they dropped the super chat, of course, and they were nice in the chat, and they were like, just basically socializing in the chat, and they got to 930. But quite a few members from the Backseat Gorilla Productions gang came in, such as Deadpool, Sun City Scratchers, and a few others. They came in and they pulled in and they dropped some more super chats. And believe it or not, like a rocket, from 9:30, they went to 1K. Today, that happened today. And so we want to say congratulations to Black Seat Gorilla Productions for a massive growth today. Congratulations, you are qualified for monetizations. Big up and enough respect.